What's going on, guys? DAF'D again. Here we are, and here's the old trusty Staedtler 2mm lead holder. HB lead. I think it's the most versatile out there. Anyway, I didn't really know what to draw. I just basically turned on CNN and other news outlets and saw that Trump was talking about how the stimulus that was coming out, the second stimulus, was basically really stingy, and that he would have given people $2,000, and I thought that was just so well played. I mean, that's just great, there's nothing. So then obviously everybody gets the attention on that. Well, maybe we should do 2,000, and other people, no. And the ones that said no were, of course, the Republicans, and the ones that were all for it and actually thought it was a great idea were the Democrats that had basically been gunning for him for all this time. And of course, the genius move of it all is that he's going to be leaving soon, hopefully, and he's leaving a big mess for everyone. And as of now, which is January, looks like Biden's going to be picking that up and championing the $2,000 stimulus. But I just thought, since it was about the day before Christmas, I guess it was like maybe Christmas Eve or the 23rd, it just made sense that if he were to be Santa Claus, that he would basically say, all the presents that your parents got you are nothing compared to what I would have given you, but maybe the next Santa would be a little bit more generous. I just thought it was great. Thought it was well played. So I just dived in, didn't really have any reference for Santa, even though it's ingrained in everybody's mind as to what he really looks like. And again, I don't know if I had time to actually ink it up. I don't think I did. And again, once I just didn't have any time to ink it and film it, but nonetheless ended up with a completed cartoon for the week and posted it. Got fairly decent decent coverage. A couple people liked it. I guess maybe some people didn't really understand it, but that's that. Thanks for joining again, and if you like it, definitely hit me up with a subscription or at least a like. And once again, a lot of these things do exist as pen drawings, black and white, so if you're ever interested in getting an original or a print of the color final image, DM me or hit me up. Excellent. Be safe, be well. I'll talk to you later. Bye.